Protected files are extremely common, but they're not 100% secure. Some files natively support password protection, like PDFs. Other types of files are easy to store in a password-protected zip archive. Today, we're going to extract the password hash from these kinds of files and use John the Ripper to crack the hash. As a reminder, John the Ripper only works with hashes. It doesn't natively know how to work directly with password-protected files, so we need to extract the hash from the file we're interested in. The process of extracting a hash is similar for most files. The toolkit provided with John the Ripper provides many scripts, but some of them aren't included on Kali Linux by default. We can obtain these tools by cloning the project from GitHub, but I've already downloaded the tools we need. Let's extract the hashes from the zip file we're interested in. I'll open a terminal and go to the Documents directory. I'll list the folder contents to see what we have in there. I have a file called protected.zip. This is the zip file we'll attempt to crack the password on. We also have a word list that we'll use called words.txt. Most tools that exist to help us extract hashes from files follow the standard for file type. In this case, zip followed by the number 2 and the word John. So I'll type zip to John. This makes it easier to remember what command we need. These tools output the hash straight to the screen, so we use the angle bracket to redirect that output to a file. We'll finish our command with protected.zip output to zip hash. Now that we have the hash for the zip file, we can crack it with John the Ripper. We need to specify the format of the hash, the file name, and the word list we want to facilitate cracking the hash. So I'll type john-format equals pkzip, zip hash, -- word list equals words.txt. We have the password. It's a variation of the word password. Now let's extract the zipped file with that password. I'll do that from the command line by typing unzip protected.zip. It prompts for the password, so I'll type in the password that we just cracked. I get a message that the file is inflating. Let's list the folder contents. Now I see another file called password.pdf. This is a PDF file that's also password protected, so whoever set this up was really concerned about this document's security. If this PDF's password is just as weak as the first one, we can crack it too. Let's go ahead and do that now. Getting the hash from the PDF is pretty much the same process as getting the hash from the zipped file. Let's type pdf to John, password.pdf output to pdf hash, and press enter. Now let's crack the password. Just like we did for the zipped file password by typing john -- format equals pdf, pdf hash -- word list equals words.txt, and pressing enter. There's the password. It's the word secret. Let's try it to make sure it works. I'll go to my Documents folder and open the PDF. It prompts me for a password, so I'll type in secret, and my file opens up. And that's all there is to it. In this demo, we talked about extracting hashes from password-protected files. We extracted hashes from a zip file and then a PDF file. Then we used John the Ripper to crack those hashes.